As a seller, there are several contingencies that you should be aware of when selling your home in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Contingencies are provisions in a real estate contract that require certain conditions to be met before the sale can be completed. These conditions may include things like home inspections, financing, and appraisals. Here are some common contingencies and how they can affect the seller. Home inspection contingency. The buyer requests a home inspection to identify any problems with the property. If the issues are found, the buyer may ask the seller to repair or provide a credit for the repairs. This can delay the closing and may result in additional costs for the seller. The appraisal contingency. The buyer's lender will typically require an appraisal to ensure the home is worth the amount being borrowed. If the appraisal comes back lower than the agreed upon price, the buyer may request that the seller lower the price or cancel the contract. This can also delay the closing date and result in a lower sales price for the seller. Financing contingency. The buyer may include a contingency that the sale is contingent on them securing financing. If the buyer is unable to secure financing, the sale may fall through. This can result in the seller having to put the home back on the market and delay the closing. Title contingency. The buyer may include a contingency that the sale is contingent on the title being cleared. If there are any issues with the title, such as liens, claims against the property, the sale may be delayed or canceled. Home sales contingency. The buyer may include a contingency that the sale is contingent on them selling their current home. This can delay the closing date and add uncertainty to the transaction. When selling a home in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, it's important to work with a knowledgeable realtor like myself who can help you navigate these contingencies and ensure a smooth transaction. I can help you understand what to expect during the selling process and provide you guidance on how to best manage contingencies to protect your interests. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside.